Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you where you can find the jewelry in Avatar Wall. From diamond necklaces to gold watches and cute earrings, the jewelry collection is the best way to make your outfit look expensive in Avatar Wall. And in here, I'm going to show you the luxury boutique wardrobe and how you can find the jewelry in the game. So first, you just need to go to this jewelry store. This one's right here. There is this little diamond at the top of the store. Also, diamonds on the wall. You can just go to that store, that boutique. Okay, so here I've already inside the jewelry boutique. As you guys can see, there are lots of jewelry finds in here. There are earrings, rings, necklace, and even bracelets. So you can just choose which one that you want for your avatar. Let's try it on. Okay, so for example, I'm going to put on the new earring for this avatar. Let's find another one in here. Okay, I'm going to go with this one right here. Let's try to put it on. As you guys can see, it will be placed immediately. And let's try the ring. I think I'm going to go with this one right here. And now I've already put it on. You can also put it off like that and can put it back in. Let's try now the bracelet. See if we can find one. Okay, this one. Put it on. I don't know why I can't put it on. Okay, like this. So this is the new accessory for your avatar. That's how you can easily find the jewelry store and put it on. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.